Hey leaders, hope you're doing amazing. This is Mark from Ivy Leads. In this video, I'm going to show you the power of birthday workflow and how you can use that to your advantage to nurture and to actually upsell your clients or your leads. Now, if you are not getting your leads or clients' birthday, then it's time, right? This is your sign to actually do that right now because it's actually a good follow-up touch point because it's very personal, to the client or to that person, especially when you are celebrating their birthday. Now, the first step is I wanted to show you how you can actually get those birthdays in the system so that you don't have to put them manually. Now, if you are using forms or, surveys to actually get contact information, you just have to add additional field for the birthday um, information. So just go to site and then select the form or survey that you're using, with the name, email, and phone number. But instead of just putting like the three things, you will also add the birthday part. So let's do this as an example. Let's say this one. All right. Now we have your first name, last name, phone, email, and then some information. So that's fine. But you want to add the birthday as well. It's quickly as going to the standard field and just, dragging and dropping the date of birth here and making it required. Or if you don't want it to, make it required, then that's fine. But I would advise you to do that so you can actually get those birthdays in your, database. So once you're done with that, just click on Save Form and you're done with your opt-in forms. Now, once you get those birthdays in your contacts, then it's a matter of creating an automation to be able to set it up. You don't have to remember the actual dates because you know we have a lot of prospects and it's definitely impossible to remember everyone's birthday. So you need to have a workflow. Oh, that's the second step. So just go to automation. Okay, let me okay there for a second. Go to automation and then click on create workflow. And this is going to be a game changer because if you're not familiar with the workflow or how it works yet, you don't actually have to start from scratch. Actually, the system allows you to use a recipe that's already created. That's called birthday template. Right? It's a workflow to do birthday promotion. So specifically for promotions, if you don't want to, do an upsell or promote using the birthday, that's fine. You can edit something out here, but this is a good base for you to start. So just click on the birthday template and then scroll up and click on create new workflow. Now from here, everything has been set up already from the triggering action all the way up to the different steps or actions that will happen. It's a matter for you to review the actual content, if you like the language or you need to change something up. So as you see, this is set up already. Don't have to do anything with that. So you have here the first SMS, which is like a birthday SMS. You can click on that and then review the actual verbiage. If you want to change something, go ahead. Or if you don't even want to send SMS, you just want email, then you can go ahead and click, on these dots and, go ahead and delete that. Make sure delete action, not all from here, because it's going to delete everything, right? All right. If you want to substitute that with an email, then just click on, the plus button, and then you can actually do the send email. And you can create your own script or message, right? All right. So that's for the first step. Now, as you can see, the template has here a wait for reply. Now, this is perfect for those who want to, have a quick upsell or promotion for the birthday celebrate or celebrator, right? So you don't have to change anything here, just the actual message if you want. So you see here, wait reply for 24 hours. If they do reply to the first message, which is an SMS by default, there is a if segment here. If they reply, then it goes to the following, right? The 20% discount SMS. If you want to do 30, you can do that, change those language. And then there's another wait here for 2 days. And if they are interested, then it goes into, the actual link for them to actually purchase something or get those discount whatever you are looking to do, right? So just matter of changing the actual message content. You see the calendar link here. Want them to click off first, then you can just put those information in the message body. All right. If they are not interested, there's another step here, which is kind of like no worries for now. You know, short as that. If you want to modify that, then you can do so as well. Now for the no branch, as you see here, nothing will happen, right? So it's kind of like a standard greeting for someone, right? If they did not respond back to the first SMS, then that's the first and last message that I received. Right, so that's the birthday template that you have, and if this works perfectly fine for you, just change the message body, and then you can do, use this right away. For those who want to just greet somebody, then you can keep it as simple as one email or one SMS, and then that's it. Right. The most important part is that the step here, which is the birthday reminder, because
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
that's serious. You can probably tell. Give me a second. Okay, cool. Cool. So the birthday reminder is very important. Make sure that you don't change this triggering action because this is going to be the basis of this whole workflow. All right. Once you're done with everything, just click on publish and then click on save, and your recipe or workflow should be working. All right. So that's the power of birthday template and how you can actually get those birthday information and then also create a workflow to automate something for the birthday greeting. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, let us know so we can provide more clarity. And as you know, we're doing this every week on Tuesday. So if you have any particular request on video tutorials, let us know so we can make that happen for you. Take care.